What is up, everybody? Right now I am on my way to the NPA auction. Been planning to go to the NPA for months, and it's finally the day we're going to NPA. I'm really excited to see what happens. I had a full list yesterday. I went and did a walkthrough of all the inventory. We're gonna see if I can pick up any of those units, because those units are the units I'm most interested in. There's probably a list of about 35 or so. It took me about 2 hours to look through them all. So I'm really excited. Let's see what we can do. It's 7:45 right now, so let's see if we can make it down there. Get there before it starts. It starts at 8. I probably won't be recording while I am in the auction, because it's my first one. So I really want to see how it goes. And then also on top of that, there's 4 lanes going on, and I have a unit in pretty much each lane. So there's a lot of back and forth that I'm gonna be doing. So I just want to have time to keep recording. Anyways, let's get to it, y'all. Thank you guys for watching again. We do truly appreciate it. Wish me luck. And hit the subscribe button if you guys want to see auction videos or purchases from auctions, or even anything else that we have going on. Just our full-time living, because we're going to be getting back to full-time living in the RV hopefully soon. We're going to be cleaning out the house here this month, so we should be getting back to the RV. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and let's get to this auction. Been here since 8 a.m. There's over 900 units going, and they still have another 200 or so of the Harleys. We ended up getting what I wanted, got it for where I wanted it. Actually $100 less than what I wanted, so now it starts the process of going to get the money. Obviously taking it to the shop, cleaning it up, making sure it looks good, runs good, and then start calling around, see what we can do for sales. As you guys saw by that quick little video of the bike that we picked up, pretty stoked. It's my first purchase as a business owner. It's a 07, and I believe it is. I'll, like I said, I'll do more of a walk around when we pick it up. I'll do a quick little walk around of us loading it up, and then I'll also, whenever we take it to the office, either later today or tomorrow, especially because Leland is super excited to help with these units and help clean them up and learn about them and do things like that. So picked it up for about $500 under rough, and then about $1,300, $1,200 under clean. So let's try to get this thing clean, because we want all the money we can. But anyways, I'm gonna get inside, get this thing prepared, get myself and everybody prepared for this, because we are officially now going, because we spent all this money to get started. Let's officially get some money back to us. So look forward to seeing you guys in the next clip. Thank you guys for watching, and now take a peek at this clean ass 07 Harley. All right, y'all, here we go. So after a weekend of trying to figure out how the hell we're gonna pay for this bike, because my bank is not in Texas, and I needed a bank account and blah blah blah, whole top to bottom stuff. It was just really stressful. So I finally ended up getting to go to the bank this morning. Been there for a little bit longer than I wanted to. It's already noon, but we got the check, and we're gonna head to NPA. We're gonna go pick up this bike, gonna take it to the house, start the process of getting it nice and dolled up, and you guys are gonna come along for the process. So let's get to NPA. We'll see y'all soon. Let's go pick this thing up. Bring your friends, fun to lose, and to pretend she's overboard. Maybe. Tear start up, huh?
Something ain't right. Oh man. Not the day.
The dirty word. Hello, 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 hello.
There she is, 07 Harley Davidson Softail. So definitely some stuff we gotta work on, but we're gonna head out. Let's get out of here. Alright, y'all, so I'm back at the office after the pickup of the Softail. What do you guys think our profits will be? Like I told you guys, we picked it up for for $3,700, which come out to $3,865 after fees. Rough book $4,100, clean book $5,300. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think we are going to get. You guys will see the total amount that we made in the next video. In the next video, we'll go over the profits. In the next video, not only about the profits that we will make or we didn't make, but also some things you guys should know as a wholesaler and the true grind of what it takes to be in this business. So with that being said, guys, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, HTB, so you guys know and you guys can get fulfilled on all the information you guys should know as a wholesale dealer, what it's like in the power sports world, auction videos, the whole 9 yards. You guys should hit that bell so you guys know when we drop our latest videos, all the updates, all the alerts, all the notifications, so you guys can be in the loop for this progress, for this growth, and for this channel. You guys stay tuned for the next video and you guys will see exactly what happens. Alright y'all, you guys have a great rest of your day. We will see you guys next time.
Let's go.